Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to pay with Flexiti on WayFair. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing and for content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all you have to go to flexiti.com. I'm just going to wait for it to load. It's taking a bit longer to load than usual, so I'm just gonna wait it out. Just gonna search on Google. Sometimes it does it, so if it doesn't, just go to google.com, search for Flexiti, click on the first link, and you should be redirected to this page. So yeah, if it doesn't load, you can just do it from Google. So once you're on flexiti.com, just click on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen, click on where to buy, go to Flexiti network, and here you have to search for WayFair here. And then you can just shop from WayFair and yeah, use Flexiti on there. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.